For anyone that I have cut off or reduced a relationship with, I would love to have them back in my life because I've seen in my healthy relationships where we heal and grow together, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful seeing growth, especially in people you love and care about so much. But with someone who doesn't honor my boundaries, I always remind myself of this percentage, 2%. 2% of the population lack insight into themselves, and of those 2% of these individuals will become self-aware. So 98% of the people who are harmful in their behavior will never change. That is why it is so important to go no contact. The 2% who do become self-aware only do so when they finally decide for themselves that they need help. For them to finally decide this, it doesn't happen when we stick around. Any kind of attention, good and bad, feeds whatever they need. They only become self-aware when they reach their bottom. We don't know what each individual's bottom is. It is likely lower than we can imagine. And part of them getting there is to leave them to themselves. So you could say that going no contact is the most loving, caring thing you can do for them. So for me, until there are clear indications that people I have cut off have a plan in place where they are actually going to purposefully work on their healing, I will maintain no contact. In my next video, I will share what this purposeful healing work looks like.